Hi, welcome back to my channel and another video. I had the opportunity of making these beautiful fans for my niece bridal team, and I decided to share with you. For materials, I have ribbon, skeleton, fan skeleton. I have glue gun with extra sticks, scissors, pearls, sequins, these flat beads. I used as many accessories as I could lay my hands on. I wanted it to be simple yet classic, and so it came out to be. Always make sure you open, even if you are buying 100, make sure you open each one of them to see whether they don't have broken parts as I have here. I am making the 180 degrees fan, so I glued them at the tip. I opened it and glued one after the other using the hot glue to get the full 180 degrees. So there was the need for me to dye the fan to suit the color of the bride. I got the paint or the spray from where I bought the beads, but when I ran out, I fell on those that sells automobile parts. Yeah, fitafuo ni mu hono eho na mikonya ebi etoye, and for the 11 fans I used almost 2 of this. I allowed the first part to air dry before flipping to spray the other part after the first spray. We had no particular design in mind, so we had to do try and error to get what we really wanted. After getting the design we wanted, we decided to proceed. So as I glue, Nanecha also would put the pearls on the glue. You may use any type of glue that you have for this project. We continued with the design. We didn't want it to be too crowded, so we were careful of the number that we added. We made sure that each of the 11 fans had the same number of pearls. Everything that we use on one, we use the same on all the 11, and mind you, it was front and back, so whatever we are doing here, we would repeat it at the other side as well. Colors of the day were peach and royal navy blue, so we were using this initially, but when we had the peach ribbon, we changed and made a simple bow to complement the colors. My dear, let me ask you, have you subscribed to my channel yet? If you have not and you love what I do here, kindly subscribe and also put on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. To those of you who are already members of this platform, may God richly bless you. I don't take your love and support for granted. Until I saw it with their perpetual owners, I thought I had seen it all. And oh my, these beautiful ladies made me super proud on that day. They rocked the fun so well. Until I grace your screens again, beloved, keep hope alive.